Hi there, students. Conglomerate, to conglomerate. So notice there's a slight difference in pronunciation. The noun, a conglomerate, or the verb to conglomerate. Okay, so to conglomerate, to bring various different things together. Yeah, something made up of things from various sources or of various different kinds. To conglomerate, to collect together in one coherent whole. So in geology, you can have a conglomerate, which is a type of stone or rock made up of different types of particles that have been pressed together. I guess you could call concrete a conglomerate. It's got stones and it's got the calcium hydroxide that holds it together. Okay, so to conglomerate. Also, we can use this word in a business sense. A conglomerate is a very large company that owns lots of different companies in varying different fields. So, for example, Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett's firm, is a conglomerate. It owns companies in a huge variety of different fields, of different sectors. And the holding company is the conglomerate, which is Berkshire Hathaway. Okay, people conglomerated round her to listen to what she had to say. Or to quote Virginia Woolf, infinite numbers of dull people conglomerated about her. They accumulated, they met around her. Or maybe if you have to write a report, you have to conglomerate widely diverse pieces of information into one report. Yeah, you have to put them all together into one unit. Okay, so to conglomerate, to assemble, to cluster together, to congregate, yeah, to collect together. Okay, and that's the idea of to conglomerate, or a conglomerate. You see, when I start thinking about it, I start mixing them up. The country is a conglomerate of various different racial groups which have been conglomerated into one nation. Yeah, I guess the country of Spain has been conglomerated from the Basque people, from the Galician people, from the Andalus, from the Catalans, from various others. So they're all conglomerated in one group. We went to clean out the river, and in the bottom there was all sorts of junk conglomerated together. Old bicycles, shopping trolleys, rotted paper, rotted cardboard boxes, and these had all been conglomerated together in one mass. Okay, so to conglomerate, to form or gather together into one mass, to merge all together. Or a conglomerate as a company, yeah, a big company that has lots of diversified companies in different fields. Yeah, I think the idea of conglomerate is where heterogeneous different things are all massed together in one. The effect of the play was a conglomerate of strange sounds, of strong feelings, of artistry, and deep and meaningful speeches. Okay, so gathered together, clustered together in one group. Conglomerate, noun, a conglomerate, a company, and then to conglomerate, the verb. I think you can also use conglomerate as an adjective. A conglomerate group is a group of things conglomerated together. Okay, how formal is this verb to conglomerate? I think I'd probably give it a 6. It's a little bit on the formal side, but I think you could use it in an informal conversation without any problem. From a business sense, yeah, I would guess it's ever so slightly formal. It's a slightly technical word. It's a regular verb to conglomerate. They conglomerated all the different things together. They have conglomerated various things to make one whole. And then as to origin, well, it comes from conglomeratus, which is the past participle of conglomerare, con, together, bringing together, which itself comes from Proto-Indo-European, con, beside, by, near, and glomerare, from glomero, to pile into a heap, to make into a ball, itself from glomos, a ball of thread or a ball-shaped group. Okay, so to conglomerate or a conglomerate. I guess there is a conglomerate of different types of video in my channel covering many different things, all under the idea of English. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A conglomerate. To conglomerate.